The Nike Kobe 8, a hallmark of basketball innovation, debuted in 2012 as Kobe Bryant's 8th signature shoe. As Nike basketball prepares for fall 2024, excitement builds for new colorways, including the Wolf Gray edition. This version features a Wolf Gray engineered mesh upper with white accents on the swoosh and Kobe branding, creating a striking look. The shoe includes an adjustable mid-foot strap for a secure fit, while the React cushioned midsole ensures responsive comfort for on-court performance. The Nike Kobe 8 Protro Wolf Gray will release on September 6, 2024 at select Nike basketball retailers and online at Nike.com. Available in men's and grade school sizes for $190 and $120, respectively. Nike Kobe 8 Protro Wolf Gray. Color: Wolf Gray / White Wolf Gray. Release date: September 6, 2024. Price: $190. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell to join the counterfeit community and stay updated with the latest videos. Thank you.